When we talk about recovery and prevention, we often focus on behavior, but the real story is happening deep within the architecture of the brain. According to a sweeping systematic review reported by News Medical, researchers have found that the teenage years represent a critical window where cannabis use can fundamentally alter brain development and significantly raise the risk of addiction later in life. The study, which looked at over 8,000 participants, highlights that because the adolescent brain is still under construction, specifically in the regions responsible for decision-making and emotional control, it is uniquely sensitive to external chemicals. Cannabis doesn't just affect the teen brain, it interacts with its maturation process. Researchers observed physical changes, including reduced volume in the hippocampus and a thinning of the prefrontal cortex, the area we rely on for self-regulation and long-term planning. For the recovered life community, one of the most vital findings involves the reward system. Early cannabis use is linked to a reduction in dopamine signaling. This means the brain's natural pleasure center becomes less responsive, which can create a biological drive toward broader addictive behaviors as the individual seeks to regain that chemical balance. While the research suggests that some cognitive functions can recover with prolonged abstinence, the structural changes in early onset users may be more persistent. This isn't about fear-mongering. It's about empowering parents and the recovery community with the science of protection. Understanding that the teenage brain is a work in progress gives us a clear reason to advocate for delay and early intervention. Our goal is to give the next generation the best possible start by protecting the wiring of their future. By staying informed on the science of neurodevelopment, we can better support the young people in our lives in making choices that protect their clarity and their potential. This significant review was originally reported by News Medical, and you can get the link to the full article in the show notes.